triple black 1970 Dodge Charger Hemi, and we want to give it to you. You can claim those entries at RestoMods.com. Take home our 33rd giveaway vehicle along with $50,000 in cash, but you got to be in it to win it. Claim those entries today. Good luck.